In this video, I will walk you through how to use Google NotebookLM in a simple and practical way. If you do research, read ebooks, or watch learning videos and want to organize everything in one place, this tool can really help. I will show you each step in clear language so you can follow along easily. To get started, open your web browser and go to notebooklmgoogle.com. You will need a Google account to sign in. Once you log in, you will land on the main dashboard. This is where all your notebooks will appear. Now, click on the option that says Create a new notebook. A small window may open, asking you to add sources. You can close it for now. Then give your notebook a simple and clear name, something like Business Book Summaries or any topic you are working on. Next comes the most important part, adding your source documents. NotebookLM only works with what you upload or refer to. On the right side of your notebook, you will see a section called Sources. Click on Add Source. You can upload files from your computer, like PDF or text files. You can also connect files from your Google Drive, such as Google Docs or Slides. You can paste website links or YouTube video links, and it will read the text or transcript. You may also paste copied text directly. Free users can add up to 50 sources in one notebook, and each source can be very large. If you are new, it is better to start with just a few files. Let's upload a few business ebooks. Now, a few book summary video links from YouTube. Let's refresh the page. After your sources are uploaded, NotebookLM will read and analyze them. On the main screen, you will usually see a notebook guide. This shows a short summary of your content and some suggested questions you might want to ask. This helps you understand what the AI has learned from your files. The main feature of NotebookLM is the chat area. You will find a box where you can type your questions. Ask anything related to your uploaded content. For example, you can ask what the qualities of a good businessman are. The answer will only come from your own sources. You will also see a small number of links beside the answers. These are citations. When you click them, you can see exactly where the information came from inside your files. This makes it very useful for serious study and research. On the right side, you will also find the Studio panel. This is where you can create more advanced content from your sources. You can generate a mind map to see how ideas connect. You can create an audio overview, the most popular feature of NotebookLM, which sounds like a small podcast discussing your content.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we are skipping the common corporate folklore, the hero stories, and cutting straight into the physics of what separates companies that merely survive from those that achieve sustained, enduring greatness.
Free users usually get up to 3 audio generations per day. It takes some time. You can also interact with it if you want to. You may also see options for video overview, reports, quizzes, flashcards, infographics, or slide-style summaries. Some of these have a pen icon, which means you can customize them before generating. When you see a helpful answer in the chat, you can save it. Just click the pin icon next to the response to save it as a note. All pinned notes go into the Studio section of your notebook. You can also write your own notes there to keep everything organized in one place. You can also search the web and Google Drive for sources. Besides this, Google can research topics for you. Fast research is not in-depth. On the other hand, deep research is in-depth, but for free, it has a limit of 5 per month. The free version of NotebookLM is powerful, but it has limits. You can create up to 100 notebooks. Each notebook can have up to 50 sources. Each source can be up to 500,000 words. You can ask up to 50 questions per day. You can create about 3 audio overviews per day. A good way to begin is to choose one research topic, upload a few documents, and start asking simple questions. As you get comfortable, you can add more sources and use more advanced features. That is the basic way to use the free version of Google NotebookLM. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.